Hello, my name is Benny and I'm the co-owner of Vibisol Diamond Jewelry Company. Vibisol is a trusted diamond jewelry company in Israel and is the member of Israel Diamond Exchange. More than 30 years, the diamonds have become our passion, and since 2008 we became successful and leading company in the field. We work only with real and high-quality diamonds and other gemstones. Each our jewelry item is certified. We offer Vibisol Diamond Jewelry Certificate, IGL International Certificate, and GIA Diamonds International Certificate. So you can be sure that you buy the real diamonds. This is our manufactory, where we keep all our models of jewelry items when you are making the order from our website. Then the process begins. From thousands of models we choose the one what you have selected. Here you can see the template of the model. Wax model made in natural size with all thicknesses, textures, drawings and inscriptions. The wax models are sent to the polishing section. The jewelers made the product one step closer to perfection. The experts here are working only with their hands without a machine at all. You also have to select the precious stone for your piece of jewelry. The color, the cut, the clarity, and the carat weight should be considered on this step. The final operation is polishing, as a result of which the smooth made surface obtained during grinding acquires a strong metallic shine. And now it happened. Your unique ring, bracelet, pendant, and earrings is ready. We want to make your jewelry items more memorable and individual. Each piece of jewelry is unique. We are happy to make your dreams come true. Create your sparkle with Vibisol Jewelry Company.